What's up, guys? You know the name DS18. Let's check out something from DS18 you guys might be interested in, namely the DS18 H-KO5 5,000 watt amplifier. So first of all, you got your voltmeter and clip indicator and stuff on the top. Now bear in mind, this amp has a fairly small footprint, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. And looking at a few pictures of it here, you can see we've got a ton of controls, all the good stuff, Tiffany inputs, slave, master slave, the whole kit and caboodle. It's a nice looking little amplifier. So what's cool about it? Well, there's more to come, guys, more to come. Now we go down here. This is something I found totally interesting. This guy has 96% efficiency at 4 ohms and has a damping factor of 400. That is one of the highest damping factors you'll see on any amplifier. And what that means is really good subwoofer control. That means this amp can absolutely do an SQ setup. But wait, there's more. So now let's check out what it does on the dyno, okay? And keep in mind, this thing has a damping factor of 400. And at 4 ohms, gives you 96% efficiency. This is a half-bridge amplifier made in Korea. Very, very nice. Let's check it out.
Yo, what's up, guys? Mr. DS18. We're back again here at Diego's Secret Lab. What's up, Diego? Turn around, say hi.
What's up?
So we're gonna test out the Hooligan H-KO5K. We're gonna do all 3 runs at 1 ohm, certified, uncertified, and burst. And then finally, we're gonna do the half ohm burst and see what this baby could do. Diego's setting everything up. Let's flip the camera and let's get this baby started. All right, so we're ready. Everything set up. Certified run.
Certified,
here we go,
guys.
Press play. Let's do it.
This is up to 1%.
Let's see. Certified run. Hooligan 5K. And we have 6,101 watts. Certified at 1 ohm, 14.2 volts.
With a damping factor
14.2 volts. Yeah. All right. Okay. Uncertified, 1 ohm.
That was up to 1% THD.
I'm pumped up.
It's
Hyped up.
good.
Come on, Diego.
They're done. Get it, Diego. Come on, man. You can do it.
Right.
I like how he cheers.
Uncertified.
Here we go.
1 ohm. Go. Nice. 6,544 watts. 1 ohm.
Yeah, baby.
Uncertified.
Yeah, baby.
Now, burst mode. 1 ohm.
What?
No, let's do 1 ohm and then we do half ohm.
Let's do half ohm.
Half ohm first?
Oh, Diego's
This
going
guy
for it.
wants to jump into conclusion. Okay, guys, can you guys guess what will be the magic number? What do you say?
Put it in the comments. What do you think he's going to get at a half an ohm on this 5K amplifier with a 400 damping factor? Very high efficiency. What do you think he's going to get? Put it in the comments before you watch it. Now, we're going by the honor system. You got to guess now or it don't count. Here we go.
Same as manual?
No. Manual, I say AK. AK.
Yeah.
AK half ohm burst. Go.
Okay.
Go!
There we go. AK half ohm burst.
Delayed reaction.
Oh
Oh my lord.
my God. 10,000 watts half ohm.
That's
God.
first mode, baby.
10,000 watts.
10,268
Hooligan
watts.
5K,
That's
baby.
too much freedom.
That's a lot of power. Hooligan 5K.
Yeah,
HKO 5K. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18.
Diego certified, we like it loud.
Like it loud, baby.
Guys are cool. Could y'all not hang out with these guys? I love it. They're a lot of fun. 10,000 watts, 400 damping factor, and at 4 ohms, you got 96% efficiency. That was cool. So, you guys want to pick up one of these, head over to Big Jeff Audio, put in my coupon code CAE, get 10%. I believe it's 10%. I think it's 10% discount, which is considerable, and pick one of these guys up.